Ma'am, Madurai.
Madurai, very good. So you have found out which place is this, right?
Ma'am, Meenakshi Amman temple.
Yes, Meenakshi Amman temple. So this is a famous temple in Madurai. Okay. So आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं मदुरई के बारे में. This is our topic today. It is about मदुरई शहर. मदुरई शहर. One second. Seema ma'am, can you see my screen?
Now not visible, ma'am. First Meenakshi temple screen is visible. Now is white screen only.
Okay, one second. I'll share it once again.
Yes.
So Madurai is a shahar. It is a city. Shahar means city. कौन से राज्य में है? In which state it is? Shahar. Shahar. Shahar means city. In which state it is? राज्य. राज्य. Tamil Nadu. Very good. Tamil Nadu. Ra. Half J. Y. Rajya. It is in the state of Tamil Nadu. तमिलनाडु में है. यस. तो शहर को क्या बोलते हैं? सिटी. शहर इज सिटी. राज्य इज स्टेट. मदुरई तमिलनाडु के राज्य में है. मदुरई शहर कहाँ है? तमिलनाडु के राज्य में है. Okay, so we have learnt two words today. What is that? City means shahar and state means rajya. Okay, now next. So do you know a famous river? नदी का नाम पता है आपको? कौन सी नदी है मदुरई में?
वैगई.
वैगई. वेरी गुड. सो मदुरई में वैगई नदी है. देखो वैगई. व में ऐ की मात्रा, ग में ऐ की मात्रा, ग में ऐ की मात्रा. वैगई नदी. ये क्या है? वैगई नदी है. So the bank of near the bank of the river Madurai शहर is located. Okay, मदुरई शहर कहाँ है? वैगई नदी के किनारे बसा हुआ है. किनारे बसा हुआ है. बसा हुआ means located. It is located the bank of the river. Okay, वैगई नदी. Now let's see मदुरई कहाँ है? We have 4 directions, right? We have 4 directions. What are the 4 directions? North, east, west, south.
North, south, east, west.
Yes. So north को हम क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? North को हम उत्तर बोलते हैं. उत्तर. North को उत्तर बोलते हैं. East को पूरब. East को क्या बोलते हैं? पूरब. पूरब. West को बोलते हैं पश्चिम. पश्चिम. और साउथ को बोलते हैं दक्षिण. द क्ष में छोटी की मात्रा क्षी न. दक्षिण. दक्षिण बोलते हैं. तो मदुरई कहाँ है भारत में? नॉर्थ में है, उत्तर में है, दक्षिण में है, पश्चिम में है, पूरब में है. कहाँ है?
दक्षिण.
दक्षिण. यस, वी आर इन दक्षिण भारत. तमिलनाडु राज्य कहाँ है? दक्षिण भारत में है. सो मदुरई शहर भी दक्षिण भारत में है. सी हियर, मदुरई शहर कहाँ है? तमिलनाडु राज्य में है. और तमिलनाडु राज्य कहाँ है? दक्षिण भारत में है. इन साउथ इंडिया. भारत इज इंडिया. यस, इन साउथ इंडिया. वी आर इन साउथ इंडिया, दक्षिण भारत में. Yes. So it is one of the old city. Old city. Old means prachin. प्र, आ की मात्रा प्रा, च में बड़ी ई की मात्रा जमा न, प्राचीन. प्राचीन मीन्स ओल्ड, वेरी ओल्ड सिटी. इट इज अ वेरी ओल्ड सिटी. ये प्राचीन शहर है. मदुरै एक प्राचीन शहर है. Okay, now tell me, till now what did we read? We read two new names in the beginning. What is city? Chat box में बोलिए city को क्या बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, you will share in WhatsApp.
Children, this is just an introduction. PPT I will share it later. Okay,
Okay.
we are just introducing the topic. Later I will share you the PPT. Okay. Yes. Tell me, शहर मतलब क्या है? शहर means
City.
city. Very good. शहर means city. राज्य, राज्य means what?
State.
State. Very good. राज्य means state. Now we have seen what is the topic we are learning today. What is the topic? किसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? State के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? Chat box में बोलिए बच्चों. सीमा मैम, are you getting the answers?
Ma'am, they are writing Madurai city.
Madurai
Yes,
temple.
we are not reading about temple, we are reading about Madurai.
We
Okay?
are reading about whole city, children, not a temple only. And children, you
Yes.
don't unmute. Write in the chat box, dear. Okay?
Yes. तो मदुरई शहर, that is मदुरई city, कौन से राज्य में है? कौन से राज्य में है? In which place it is?
Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु में है. Very good. So now you are sure about what is शहर. शहर means city, राज्य means state, and we are reading about मदुरई. तो मदुरई कहाँ है? Where is मदुरई? मदुरई भारत में कहाँ है? In India, where is मदुरई? दक्षिण भारत में है. It is in south. It is in South India. That is दक्षिण. द क्ष में छोटी ई की मात्रा क्षी न, दक्षिण भारत में है. So मदुरई is considered as old city. Old को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? प्राचीन. Old को क्या बोलते हैं? प्राचीन बोलते हैं. ओके, तो मदुरई में कौन सी नदी है? कौन सी नदी है मदुरई में? वैगई.
Vaigai.
वैगई. व में आई की मात्रा, ग में आई की मात्रा. वैगई नदी. वैगई नदी है. मदुरई में वैगई नदी है. वैगई नदी के किनारे, किनारे मीन्स द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर, मदुरई इज लोकेटेड. ओके, so now tell me, if you have heard about old stories about our Tamil Nadu history, can you tell me who were ruling our Madurai city in olden days? Do you know which kings ruled our Madurai city?
Pandya king, ma'am.
Very good. पांड्या. सो हम क्या बोलते हैं? प में आ की मात्रा, ऊपर अम की मात्रा, पांड्य. पांड्य वंश. व में अम की मात्रा, जमा श. वंश. वंश मीन्स फैमिली. पांड्य वंश. द फैमिली ऑफ पांड्यास. पांड्यास रूल्ड मदुरई. ओके, पांड्यास रूल्ड मदुरई. पांड्य वंश ने मदुरई का शासन किया है, रूल किया है. ओके, पांड्य वंश. पांड्य वंश ने मदुरई का रूल किया है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इज, मदुरई में एक संगम था. संगम. संगम मीन्स ग्रुप, association. You know what is that Sangham about? There was an association, there was a group in Madurai. When Pandya kingdom was there, Pandavas were there, there was a group there. That group is Tamil Sangham. Ta ma mein choti I ki matra jama la. Tamil Sangham. Tamil Sangham means it is related to Tamil language. It is related to Tamil language. Okay, there was a group, there was an association which is related to Tamil language. So people wanted to develop Tamil language. When Pandyas were ruling there, they wanted to develop Tamil language. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? तमिल लैंग्वेज में बहुत फेमस क्या है? आप लोग तमिल पढ़ते हो, you all study Tamil. What is very famous? The two lines. What you study? The two lines.
Tirukural.
Yes, very good. Tirukural. Yes, Tirukural. So you read Tirukural, right? One second. Doha is in Hindi. In Tamil, they read Tirukural. Ta mein choti ki matra ti, ra mein chota u, tiru. Half ka will be written like this, and full ka will be written like this. Ka mein chota u, ra jama la, Tirukural. So people started following the rules of Tirukural. The rules, there are so many rules in Tirukural, right? There are so many rules to lead a life, a good life. People follow the principles which is given in Tirukural. Yes. So Pandyas, when Pandya's kingdom was ruling, people started developing Tamil language. So Tamil language का जन्म स्थान माना जाता है Madurai. Madurai is called as birthplace of Tamil language. Madurai is called as birthplace. It is a birthplace. Which is the birthplace of Tamil? Madurai. Madurai is the birthplace. That is Janmasthan. Janmasthan. Okay. One second. Yes. Janmasthan. Ja adha ma janma sthan. Sthan means place. Janmasthan, that is birth place. Birthplace. Which is the birthplace of Tamil language? Which city is the birthplace of Tamil language?
Madurai.
Madurai. Tamil bhasha ka. Yes, language means bhasha. Language means we say bhasha. Bha में आ की मात्रा, श में आ की मात्रा, भाषा. भाषा, तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. When I ask you the question, which is the birthplace of Tamil language, you should say तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई है. Please mute yourself, children. Now, Seema ma'am.
Charmita, please mute yourself. Charmita. 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 Sangeeta ma'am, please mute the Charmita.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, Urvaida ma'am.
Yes, Seema ma'am, can you call out some names? I'll ask questions, whatever I have taught till now.
Yes. Yes, Arul Sai. 3C Arul Sai. Kindly unmute yourself, dear. 3C Arul Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arul Sai. Tell me what is the meaning of this? Shahar. Shahar.
City.
Very good. City. Next, ma'am.
Vedarsha. 3C, yes, Vedarsha. Kailash. VK Kailash. Yes, Vedarsha, yes.
Yes. Tell me the meaning of Rajya.
Ma'am,
Once again.
state.
State. Very good. State. Yes. Next, ma'am.
The next name is Pranav Darshan.
Yes, Pranav Darshan. What is the topic we are reading today? Yes, Pranav Darshan. What is the topic? No, I am asking the lesson name. What is the topic's name? Today's topic's name. About which city we are reading?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is state. Which city we are reading?
Chennai.
Are we reading about Chennai? Yes, Madurai. We are studying about Madurai. Madurai. Yes. Next, ma'am.
And next is Dikshita 3D. Dikshita 3D. She is not given the response. Deepak 3D. Deepak 3D. Yes, Dikshita. Say yes, ma'am. Deepak 3D. Children. Yes, who is Dikshita? Yes, ma'am. Dikshita is unmuted.
Dikshita, tell me where is Madurai? In which direction? Dikshita, we have 4 directions, right? In which direction Madurai is located? Children, if you don't know, say don't know and then we'll continue with the next person. Don't be quiet like this. Call next person, ma'am.
Guru Prasad.
Jai good day, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Guru Prasad, tell me where is Madurai located? In which direction?
Dakshin.
Very good. Dakshin. Dakshin Bharat. Madurai is in Dakshin Bharat. Next, ma'am.
Magisha. Yes, welcome, Guru Prasad. Magisha, unmute yourself, Magisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Magisha, tell me यहाँ कौन सी नदी है? नदी का नाम क्या है?
I don't know, ma'am.
What is the river in Madurai? Did you listen today's class, Magisha?
Yes, ma'am.
I was teaching in Hindi and English also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Why are you saying that you don't know?
Vaigai.
Very good. Vaigai. Vaigai Nadi.
Next is Janvi. Janvi, kindly unmute yourself. Janvi. Yes, Magisa, please mute.
Mom.
Yes, Janvi. Yes. Magisa, kindly mute yourself, Magisha.
Janvi, tell me who were ruling this city? मदुरई का शासन कौन कर रहा था? Who were ruling? Which family? Which kingdom? Janvi,
Mom.
which kingdom was ruling Madurai?
Don't know, Mom.
Janvi, see your friends all are writing in chat box.
Mom, can I say?
Who is? Tell your name,
Charmita.
please. Charmita. Okay, Charmita, tell me.
Pandian.
Very good.
Pandya Vansh. Very good.
Pandya Vansh. Yes,
Pandya
Charmita, just mute yourself, dear.
Okay,
Vansh.
ma'am.
Okay, next, ma'am.
Next is Pragati. 3D. Pragati. Pragati, kindly unmute yourself, dear. Pragati. She is not giving the response. Haradhya, yes. Haradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Haradhya.
Aradhya, tell me which Sangam is here? Sangam. कौन सा संगम है यहाँ पे? Sangham, there was an association, there was a group, right? Which is that?
Tamil Sangam, ma'am.
Very good.
Tamil
Tamil
Sangam.
Sangam. Tamil Sangam. There are so many people, but the names are not mentioned here. Okay, you just remember Tamil Sangam was there.
Yes.
Okay, next, ma'am.
Next is Pranavi. Pranavi 3C. Pranavi 3C.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pranavi, tell me what is that poem which is written in 2 lines and people follow the rules of that in Tamil.
I don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
You, Pranavi, you are a Tamil student, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, ma'am teaches you something which is like telling you rules of life. What is
Ma'am,
that?
can I
2
tell
lines.
safety rules? Ma'am, can I tell?
No,
Huh?
Charmita, give chance others. Charmita, please give chance others, friend, okay? Pranavi, see your friends are writing the chat box. Answer. I got it.
Ma'am, can I?
Tirukural. Very good. Tirukural. Mute yourself, Pranavi. Sarveshwaran, mute yourself. Sarvesh.
Charmita,
Tiru.
give the chance your friends, okay, Charmita? Yes, Mitra
Kural.
Vinda. Mitra Vinda 3D. Mitra Vinda. No response. Michael. Michael.
Hey, ma'am, Sanmita.
Sorry.
I'm Sanmita.
Yes, Michael is here.
Okay,
Michael.
Michael.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Michael, tell me तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान क्या है? बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ तमिल लैंग्वेज। तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान क्या है?
Madurai.
वेरी गुड, मदुरई।
Yes. Next is yes, Shivapriya
That's all,
3C.
ma'am. Seema ma'am, that's all.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am,
all of you mute yourself, children. Now I'm going to show you a picture.
Children, kindly mute yourself, all of you. Sanmita, others, please mute yourself.
Can you tell me which place is this? Do you know this place? This is very famous in Madurai.
Ma'am, Madurai. Nayakar Mahal, ma'am.
Nayakar Mahal.
Mahal, ma'am.
The full name? Are you from Madurai?
Pakal Mandavam, ma'am. Nayakar Mahal. Nayakar Mahal.
Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. Tirumalai. तिरुमला में आई की मात्रा लई, तिरुमलई, नायक न में आ की मात्रा
Excuse me, ma'am.
नायक।
Ruveda ma'am, 1 minute. Pragati, what are you doing, Pragati? That time I called you, you did not unmute, and now you are sending so many unnecessary chat. Pragati. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tirumalai Nayak. Ma'am,
Kindly
somebody
mute
has
yourself.
unmuted.
Yes, Pragati. Pragati, please mute yourself.
Yes, Tirumalai, Tirumalai Nayak, Tirumalai Nayak Mahal, Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. Can you see this Tirumalai Nayak Mahal and tell me what can you see? There are so many standing lines in white color. What are these?
Pillars.
Pillars. Very good. So what do we
1,000
call
pillars, ma'am.
pillars? Huh?
1,000 pillars, ma'am.
1,000 pillars are there. Yes, this mahal is standing on pillars. Pillars is called as khamba. Kha में am की मात्रा, kham, bha में a की मात्रा, bha, khamba. What are the pillars called as? Khamba. And what is this one? What is this?
Ma'am, Gopuram.
Gopuram. Yes. In Hindi, we say Gopur. G में ओ की मात्रा गो, प में छोटा ऊ, जमा र, गोपुर. गोपुर. ग में ओ की मात्रा गो, प में उ की मात्रा, जमा र, गोपुर. Okay. So we have seen pillars, khamba, gopuram, and in the middle, what is it empty space called as? What is that in the middle? It is called as, in Tamil we say mandabam. So in Hindi we say mandap. Mandap. Mandap means mandabam. Okay. In Tirumalai Nayak Mahal, we have khamba. Khamba, that is pillars, in which the mahal is standing. It is a support to that mahal. And gopur. Asman chune wale gopur. Asman chune wale means, see, the gopur looks like it is touching the sky. Asman. Asman means sky. Chuna. Chuna means touch. It looks like it is touching the sky. Asman chune wale gopur. Gopur means gopuram. And mandap. Mandap means mandabam, the hall. There is a big hall. Mandabam is there. A big mandabam is there. And another Yes, do you know what is that? Another thing?
Ma'am, we cannot not see the screen, ma'am.
Yes, I have stopped sharing the screen. Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. So we have Khamba, and after Khamba, what did we see? Khamba, then Gopur, G में O की मात्रा, P में छोटा U, जमा R, Gopur. Then tell me in the chat box.
Mandap.
Mandap. Yes, Mandap. Then असंख्य सीढ़ियां. सीढ़ियां, असंख्य सीढ़ियां. सीढ़ियां means, do you know what is सीढ़ियां? सीढ़ी, yeah, सीढ़ियां means steps. असंख्य, संख्या means numbers, countable. संख्या, संख्यत means countable. असंख्य, असंख्य means uncountable. There are uncountable steps. So many steps are there which we cannot count. Uncountable steps are there. Okay. And another one thing is there. What is there? In every temple, when you go, you can see that with water. What is that? In every temple.
Ma'am, color.
Yes, that is called as talab.
Talab.
तालाब. त में आ की मात्रा, ल में आ की मात्रा, जमा ब. Talab. Talab means pond. So from the Tirumalai Nayak Mahal, for 4 to 5 kilometers near Tirumalai Nayak Mahal, there is a big talab. Bada talab hai. There is a big, beautiful, bada sundar talab hai. क्या है? बड़ा सुंदर तालाब है. Okay, so what are the things in Tirumalai Nayak Mahal? Once again, we'll revise this. So this talab is called Tirumalai Nayak Mahal, and the talab is called as Darshaniya Sthal. Darshaniya Sthal. Darshaniya Sthal means tourist place. Sthal means place. Darshaniya. Darshaniya means tourist. Okay, darshaniya, that is we can watch it, we can go and see it. That is darshaniya sthal. This is a darshaniya sthal. Tirumalai Nayak Mahal is a tourist place. Yes, once again we'll revise this. In Tirumalai Nayak Mahal हमारे पास हम क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? तिरुमलाई नायक महल में खंबा देख सकते हैं, पिलर्स, गोपुर, दैट इज गोपुरम, आसमान छूने वाले गोपुर, स्काई टचिंग गोपुरम, मंडप, दैट इज मंडबम, सीढ़ियां, सीढ़ियां मीन्स स्टेप्स. कैन यू काउंट द स्टेप्स? हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स आर देयर? कितने सीढ़ियां हैं? Can you count?
असंख्य
steps.
असंख्य, very good. असंख्य सीढ़ियां है. असंख्य means uncountable steps are there. Yes. Next is we have talab. So 5 things we can talk about Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. There are 5 things near in Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. एक है खंबा. In Khamba, if you see, have you visited Mahabalipuram? Have you visited Mahabalipuram?
Ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Sukheti.
So I'll show you one picture. Wait. See, this is Tirumalai Nayak Mahal pillars. Okay, if you see these pillars, there are some designs, there are some art, hand scripted art. Okay, so these type of pillars you can see. खंभों में क्या है? खंभों में काम किया हुआ है. Yes? Have you
Ma'am,
seen
it
these
is
type of
like
pillars? Yes?
no.
Have you seen these type of pillars in Mahabalipuram forts and all?
Mahabalipuram எங்க
Mahabalipuram is in Chennai.
எங்க கூட தெரியாது நான் எப்படி
I don't know where is it. Mute yourself, children. So these artwork is called as Shilpakala. Shilpakala. Children, don't give annotation request. Pratiksha.
Please mute yourself. Sabarish.
Yes, these artwork in the pillars is called as Shilpakala. श में छोटी की मात्रा शी जमा हाफ ल प शिल्प कला क ल में आ की मात्रा ला कला means art. Kala means art. So these works are called as शिल्प कला. सुंदर शिल्प कला का परिचय देने वाले खंबे. That is, these artworks gives beauty to the mahal. These artworks gives beauty to the mahal. It adds beauty to the Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. That art is called as Shilpa Kala. Okay? Any doubts till now, children? Any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
That Chilipikala in Hindi, what we will write, ma'am?
It is a type of art. Wall art.
Ma'am,
Okay? Yes.
ma'am, you put this video in WhatsApp, ma'am. Here, ma'am.
Yes.
How many pillars?
So many pillars are there. They have not given the
Uncountable.
numbers.
Ma'am,
Maybe
ma'am, how many
if I go
pillars
there, I
are
will count and let you. Yes.
How many steps are there, ma'am?
Steps are असंख्य सीढ़ियां हैं, uncountable steps.
Okay, ma'am, uncountable pillars also?
That I don't know. I will check and tell you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There are so many pillars. Maybe you can count it if you go there.
Meaning of grant, ma'am?
Meaning of?
Grant.
Once again, repeat it once again.
Write in chat box. Your voice is not clear.
Yes, children, shall I repeat Granth? From where did you take this word? Granth. Granth means literature. Literature. Tamil literature. Books.
Ma'am,
Okay.
second last one.
Shri, I cannot hear you. What did you ask?
Tell me 1 second, last one.
about Tirumalai Naik Mahal. I'll repeat it from the first, okay? Just a quick revision. We have seen a topic today, Madurai. मदुरई शहर के बारे में हमने पढ़ा है. मदुरई शहर कौन से राज्य में है? मदुरई शहर तमिलनाडु राज्य में है और दक्षिण भारत में है. इन साउथ इंडिया. इट इज लोकेटेड इन साउथ इंडिया. और मदुरई शहर में क्या है? वैगई नदी है. वैगई नदी के किनारे मदुरई शहर बसा है. इट इज इन द बैंक ऑफ द वैगई नदी रिवर, दैट इज वैगई रिवर. एंड यहाँ पे पांड्य वंश की एक राजकुमारी ने शिव जी की तपस्या करके उनसे विवाह कर लिया और दोनों पूरे शहर की राज्य चलाते थे. दैट इज from Pandya Vansh family. Daughter has married a king and they were ruling this city. Madurai city was ruled by Pandavas. Yes, Pandya Vansh. एंड यहाँ पे एक संगम था, दैट इज तमिल संगम. तमिल संगम में क्या फॉलो करते थे? तिरुकुरल फॉलो करते थे और तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान मदुरई कहते हैं. मदुरई को क्या कहते हैं? तमिल भाषा का जन्म स्थान कहते हैं. एंड हियर वी हैव तिरुमलई नायक महल विच इज बहुत सुंदर है. और यहाँ पे क्या क्या है तिरुमलई नायक महल में? आसमान को छूने वाले गोपुर है और सुंदर शिल्प कला का परिचय देने वाले खंबे और मंडप है, असंख्य सीढ़ियां हैं और तालाब भी है. यस, तालाब कहाँ है? 4 या 5 किलोमीटर दूर है. तालाब इज 4 to 5 kilometers far away from the Mahal. So these are the things in Tirumalai Nayak Mahal. Okay, so this Tirumalai Nayak Mahal is a Darshaniya Sthal of Madurai, tourist place of Madurai. So till this do you understand? Any questions? Yes, Janvi, it is 1 o'clock. So in the next class, we'll revise this and then we will move on to the other things which is famous in Madurai. Okay? Thank you, children.
Bye,
Jai
ma'am.
Gurudev.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.